This tutorial is designed to show you 2 ways to report on student success indicators in PowerSchool. This is the first way. You create your summative assessment. You have been talking about student success indicators throughout the whole of this unit, and students have been made aware of them, have practiced on them, have possibly reflected on them, and you've given some kind of feedback. And then you're going to associate them with the actual summative assessment. So you create it in the usual way. Then you will click on Standards, Add or Edit Standards. You will select those that you talked about during this unit. And that's it. There's another way of doing it, and that would be, for example, for teachers who wanted to select report on student success indicators periodically. You can do that too, maybe every month or maybe every 9 weeks or however you wanted to do it. And you can do something like this. So you create the assignment and you call it, for example here, Student Success Indicators October. You will select it as a summative assessment, and then you will say, and this is really important, collected only, so it doesn't get any weight to it. And you will click on Standards, and you will select those that were important during that month, and then you will see them reported like this on PowerSchool. You will never put anything in this column, but for example here, SSI communication, if I click on here, this menu of 1, 2, 3, 4 appears. Remember that 4 is only for students who are showing absolute mastery in that student success indicator. And that's how I do it. Remember that PowerSchool will average the last 3 indicators that you put in for that student. So if you only put in one student success indicator, that's the one PowerSchool is going to take for the report card. If you put it in every month, PowerSchool will average the last 3 that you put in for that particular student success indicator. And that's it.